What's up, FH family? It's your homeboy LD here. We are back in Cebu and we're going to view this house that's ready for turnover. This is Airi in Shara Point. It's a single detached 4-bedroom house. It's a very big unit and the clients are from Australia. The parents of the wife is here to view, to check out the unit before they sign the documents for loan approval. Look, it's very nice. Let's go check it out.
Turnover karon pamangkuan. Which is the process na mo sir no for the bank.
Yes.
Pero 80% kuan na ta. Kanang pwede na ta ma-process. 80% naman ang pwede sa construction sa house.
It's not yet done. It's currently ongoing. This is the their parking. Parking is also not yet done. There will be amenities at that side. Miss Kim from MLD Dream Builders is assisting us. She really went here to Minglanilla from her Cebu City office. This is the facade. The facade is almost complete. The groundworks are what's lacking. It's 80% construction. So they are video calling the clients all the way from Australia. This is the other side. Because they still have yard here, yard over there, and of course the other side.
Second floor ka ma'am.
This is the bedroom on the ground floor. It's very nice because they have a bedroom. The deliverable kitchen. It's nice because they included the kitchen cabinets. Most developers do not include kitchen cabinets. This is the power supply. This is dirty kitchen. Service area. Amenity area. That's over there. Ooh, have to be careful. That's the amenity area. Glass doors for the lanai. Look. No need na interior dire sir no? Nanay nga ni daan ba?
Nanay naka-foam light.
Oh. Hindot. The CR. Wala pa, okay. May nakanindot aning MLD kaya ang CR ba? Floor to ceiling gid ang tiles. Same ra ni ma'am. Ang nakaila dato is ang bed. Once magud nabutangan ni gamit, budako kalit ang kwarto. Nako video. The client asked why the master bedroom just got smaller, and I explained to her that if it's bare, just like this, a room really is small. But when you modify this, when you add some furnitures, the room becomes big and spacious. That's the master bedroom. This is the other bedroom. So it's not yet done. Nothing's final yet. It's nice. I really like it. High ceiling, of course. The high ceiling is really the kicker. Okay. They've added newspaper cuttings so that $115 day ang lot ani ma'am, di 109. 115.
Nasa layo tapos ang additional 1.
Apil ani?
Pwede mo at least 2 ka bed.
Kitungod ato no? Lagi. Wow, nice.
So when I add
Oop.
So, technically, ang block 8, lot 1,
Since block 8 is a big lot with 115, this includes the lower floor and the lower part. So they can add another room over there facing the amenities because this is a dip. Chuk, chuk, chuk. It's a dip. We can add.
As
So,
ano sir, oh, this is Airi.
Miss Kim explained that this one, since this is flat, there's no additional room on the lower part.
Ara sa ground.
There's a service area. Like, we show you the difference. So, living room, and then side yard, and then dirty kitchen or service area, right? That's it. That's it. For their specific unit, this is a corner unit. So, their service area is lower because the land is just right up there where Miss Kim is standing. It's just up to here, so the service area can go there. Butangan ng hagdanan, Miss Kim.
Anaon ako?
Baliham, flip.
Ah, sorry. Bugo, Kimberly, wala ka na gunahuna.
Yan, there it is. Di. Bali, okay na to. Anan.
Nag-flip na ko kanina, ah.
Okay naman. Masag na si...
Salamat kayo.
Yeah.
Ano? So,
Nothing.
uh,
So it's very nice. Let's ask the engineer if they will install stairs anywhere here.
I-turn over ito ni kontrata ni as per i-turn over niyo ni nga kuha na gyud siya ground.
Oh, ground again.
So ang owner
Butangan ni simentohon so boss. So yuta same ra gid ani. Kay latra man yeah, okay. Asa maghagdanan?
Yan, magdanan.
Kana. Okay.
buong ano ilaw
Nay extra. Yeah.
ang tag-iya na bahala.
Yeah, nay. So mas dako siya. Kay ang floor area ni murag pila floor area ni murag 95 or 85 ang floor area. So plus kani mas mudako pag gid mo floor area.
Additional
Mabtan ba kagon 100 square meters imong floor area ani. Oh. Anak kay kwarto dire ma'am.
Iyang excess nga kuan, additional pa ni
The developer was generous enough to not ask the buyer for additional cost to build, not to build, but to extend the column to the basement. I consider it as a basement. And of the stairs. So on both sides, there's 3 columns. 1 column on the left side and 2 on this right side. So those are the 2 columns. And they've added the stairs. So in my estimate, there's an additional 200 to 300,000. They gave it to the buyers for this entire block, and this will be left as bare. So this one, they will not concrete it, nothing, because originally it was just supposed to be flat. So if it's flat, what you have for your ground remains. So since the ground over there was they just dipped it, so it will remain like this. It depends on them if they will what do you call that, landscape it or concrete it. And one additional recommendation I told the buyers, which Miss Kim is still talking with over there. So I said from this point the buyers can just turn this into a ramp directly going there. So that's that right there. Yeah. So this will be a ramp. It would be nice if the ramp is there, but it will be an additional cost to the buyers. Dagang parking lagi. Oh, as Marge said, you will, you can own that area for parking. So you can park here at the side, at this side, and at that side. That can be yours. You just have to be kind to your neighbors. What do you think of the house? What do you think of the improvements? I think I call this an improvement. That basement part over there is an improvement personally. So what do you think? You like it? I personally like it. Anywho, see you in the next video. Bye. For comments and suggestions, please comment down below. Bye.